Bonjour, you are at Petit Bistro and I'm Jacky. I'm going to demonstrate for you how to make the perfect souffle. So, you take a pan and you put 1 ounce of butter, then you are going to melt. And then you are going to cook, make a little roux, like in cuisine from Louisiana, you just make a roux. That's mixing the butter, the flour, and cooking this for a couple of minutes. And now at this stage, you just add the milk. And I'm going to stir until everything is thick. And then you add the sugar. And now we have to wait till it boils. So you can put a little bit of the zest of one orange. All right, so it takes a couple of minutes to bring to a boil, and as you can see, it's thick now, and it's something in between a pastry cream and a bechamel sauce, because the pastry cream usually have egg yolks, but we are going to put the egg yolks afterwards. That's my way of doing the souffle. I pour the pastry cream inside this mixing bowl. I add a little bit of Grand Marnier. You can put the flavor you want. You can put amaretto. You can pretty much do what you want. If you make a chocolate souffle, that's at this stage that you would add the chocolate chips to give the chocolate flavor to your souffle. So I'm breaking the eggs, and I'm going to keep the whites in that mixer, and I'm going to put the yolks in my pastry cream. So I mix the yolks to the pastry cream, and I'm going to start beating the eggs. And in the meantime, I take a soufflé bowl, that's ceramic bowl, about 3.5 inch, and I put a very thick coat of butter, and then sugar, so now the egg whites are almost done. I'm just going to finish the egg whites with the whisk, like this, just to make sure they're properly beaten. You don't want them too thick, too tight. Just like that is perfect. And then you mix together, and now you're going to pour this in a soufflé mold, like that. So the soufflés have to be filled to the top. That's very important also. And now we are going to put this in a 400-degree oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. All right, so the soufflés have been cooking for 12 minutes now. As you can see, the way they rose, it's really nice. See the height. Bon appétit.